Hey everybody, it's me, Sissy, finally back. I know it's been a while, but anyway, let's get right to it. I've got a quick little Dollar Tree haul for Thanksgiving. I got these great cooking concepts foil pans. I like the ones with the gold bottoms. They're a lot more sturdy. So I got the small size for little side dishes, and then they have the copper deep dish ones. Those are good size. This is 12 inches by 10 inches, and it's almost 2.5 inches deep, so that'll be good for dressing a macaroni. And then of course I got a big pan for my turkey. And for all those leftovers, I got some of these meal prep containers. These are great. My sister and I, there's only very small family, so we have a lot of leftovers, and like to go ahead and right after dinner package them up so my sister can take them home and put in her freezer, and I can put in my freezer too. But I picked up those. You get two for $1.25 still. And for more leftovers, I got the half-gallon Ziploc bags, Sure Fresh. And of course I picked up my plates, dessert plates, and some pretty napkins, and this is 24 count, the fall leaves, and I got a platter to put my turkey on. So I don't usually get the decorative plates for the meal. We like to eat off of real plates. And I picked up a few grocery items from Dollar Tree, which is, these are all still $1.25. Let me move them over there. Now these aren't necessarily for Thanksgiving, but I love to get these little packs of the mixed vegetables in the containers. Oh, my camera there, but you can see I already opened this one. I love to put these in with my ramen, just to add a little something to it. And I picked up some raspberry preserves. These are great for $1.25. They're really good. And a few seasonings. I got the onion powder and the garlic powder. These are all Supreme Traditions, 2.5 ounces, so that's a good deal. And let's see, oh, I saw these, and I thought the jar was cute, that's why I bought it. But I do love the jalapenos and stuff, so I got the Broken Taco sweet herb jalapenos. That would be great. That's good as some Mexican cornbread. And then I got the Broken Taco bell peppers. I can give those a try. And I picked up, for my deviled eggs and potato salad, I got the, what brand is this? Breckenridge Farm Sweet Relish. And I picked up some, I can't pronounce what the name of this brand is, but it's ranch seasoning. And I picked up the grated Parmesan cheese. I like to mix these two together and sprinkle them on popcorn, microwave popcorn, so it makes good seasoned popcorn. And I picked up some Himalayan sea salt, which you can still get for $1.25, which is a good deal. I like when they have the coarse one, but lately all they've been having is the fine, extra fine. But I picked that up. And then I always pick up one of these ultra thin pizza crust. This is great to make an at-home pizza. You can still get a little pack of pepperoni out of Dollar Tree too, but I usually just buy that when I buy my groceries at Aldi. But that's a good thing to have in your pantry for emergencies when you want something quick to eat. And then lastly, I know this is a real quick video, but I picked up this little 6-pack of the Splash flavored water. This is great to have in the refrigerator. I usually just grab a bottle when I'm taking my vitamins in the morning. But anyway, y'all, I thought I'd get back on YouTube last minute before Thanksgiving. Hopefully I'm going to be back with some more Dollar Tree hauls before prices get too high there, and with some craft videos. But anyway, it's great to be back. Y'all have a great Thanksgiving. See ya!